This is taking forever. Basically, oh my goodness. Basically what happened, I killed Guts, which I was a rogue. I'll let you know that. So I found him. Don't mind me being shit. I forgot I had vertical on. So I was just like going all over the place. So here, I knocked him down. And I knock him down, and then I stomp him out, which I killed. And, which killed him. And basically I ran away and all that. Oh my god, I'm so butt. But basically I killed him, and staff team is trying to say that I was never supposed to be a rogue or lore team, which is not true. Here's the proof. Here's the SOCOM KOS list. 1, 2, 3 separate screenshots, recent and old screenshots of me being like proving that I'm on the KOS list. And it's Isabella changing it. I don't know why she would change it. Well, I know why, but here's like how I got kicked by the CIC blanks, you know, announcing that I didn't fuck with the MP because I followed Steven's, like, I was like, yeah, Steven's ideology is right and shit like that. And Akimbo did the same thing. And he is how Guns died. I don't know. He's not part of this, by the way. So if you ban him, if you ban these people, you're like, this is like even more proof that you guys are flipped up. Here's screenshots, open link. Here's screenshots of Trav trying to say that I got kicked out of everything and how I had incentive, and I made an incentive ticket a week ago. I'll post a Google Doc if you guys want to read this. Basically, she's being a dick, and he's showing proof. The screenshots are bad. It's better if I actually just pull them up legitly. Where is it? Open link. No, it's copy link. Open link. He died fair and square, and he got voided. So, like, why did he get voided? He died for a rogue not having incentive, even though he was a R-O-G-E-U. Wait. R-O-G-U-E. I'm retarded, bro. I was just a normal rogue. I wasn't part of the union. I still didn't fuck with the military because I follow Steven's ideology. I don't have to be part of the union to be a rogue. You can be rogues for many other things. And here is another, like, basically Trav explaining. It's basically the end of the messages. Trav explaining how I have enough incentive, and there's like 40 plus people in call. This is all happening in a support server, which is, you know, weird. But basically, you can read this. I don't care. And this isn't the first case of shit like this happening. There's this Google Doc that I skimmed through a little bit. This guy, I don't know who made it, but it's a good doc. He still updates it, which is pretty cool. Game rename, blah, 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 blah. This is basically saying Solomon, I don't fucking know. The entire game will get leaked and shit like that. And how she's incompetent. Dev team. Haven't been capable of updating the game. Notifications, map releases, expanse. It's all that. You guys can skim through this if you want. They basically steal models or some shit like that. That's basically about it. All I wanted to cover. Made it real quick so it's easier for me to edit. So I think he should be wiped, but that's probably never gonna happen. So yeah.
Certain opinion a staff member has.
Yes, bro. You can talk to much
yeah, sure. If you wanna,
how is that fair at all to anyone in the game?
It's not fair. It's not fair, but like, you know, I shouldn't.
It's not fair.
So, like,
exactly. It's not fair.